Welcome to Jeks Analytics, where we are unraveling the mystery of data analytics. In today's episode, we are going to talk about tools, softwares that help data analysts to uncover these insights, these truths, these trends. What are those tools and softwares? First thing first, what exactly are data analytic tools? These are tools that help us to collect, process, analyze, and visualize data. In fact, think of them as sidekicks in the world of data exploration, which we'll come to as time goes on. There is a plethora of data analytics tools, but let's focus on the most widely used ones. Let's start with Microsoft Excel, the number one, and also I can call it the Swiss Army knife of data analysis. Excel is the powerhouse of data analytics tools. It has robust functionalities and user-friendly interface. It is usually the best. Let me not compare now, but it is usually a go-to analytics for beginners and also for analysts alike. 2. Microsoft Power BI, unleashing the power of data visualization. So this tool allows you to create powerful interactive visualization from your raw data to a very beautiful and interactive dashboard. 3. Tableau, elevating data visualization to art. This is another heavyweight in the data visualization arena, and it is known for its stunning visualization and drag and drop intuitive charts, which also helps to uncover hidden insights from raw data. Last but not the least, Python, the programming language of every data scientist. While this may not be a data analytics tool per se, Python has emerged to be the language of choice for every data scientist and analyst alike. This is due to its versatility and ecosystem in terms of its integrated libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. So it helps to also bring out beautiful charts using inborn libraries like Seaborn and all that. So this is why Python can also be used as a data analysis tool because of some of these features that it has. With so many available options, one will wonder which then is the right tool for you. Well, it all depends on your specific needs, preferences, and skill level. So some swear by the simplicity of Excel, others by the flexibility of Python or the sophisticated nature of Power BI and Tableau. So it all depends. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the tools and technologies that form the backbone of data analytics. Whether you are crunching number in Excel or captivating visualization in Power BI and Tableau, or diving deep into the world of data science using Python, there is a seat for you here. So stay tuned and be aware for my next video.